Alright, that power pick sucked. I spun one here. So we got 30 bucks. Let's just round that up. 30 bucks. Hit. 14. Let's hit one more time. Oh no. Alright, at least we got this. Come on. I actually don't like this red bird. But maybe he'll be nice and give us all the major. We need 5 of those lettuces. Oh, I fast spun it. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. I mean, we can it still says 15 to win, so fill it up. If you don't want to give me those, fill it up. My chicken at home finally started laying eggs. Oh, we got the mini. 20 bucks. Let's go. Let's go. We just need 3 of those, please. 2 more. Oh, that's it. How much is that? 45? $45? We'll take that. We'll take that. Let's go. We're up. Don't play that machine, guys.